Hi, Dream Preschool friends. Today we're gonna do a science experiment. It's called Magic Milk Experiment. So we've done this before in junior preschool with all your friends and teacher, but you can show your mommy and daddy and brother and sister how to do it too. Okay? So these are the ingredients that I'm gonna show you. So you get a flat tray or baking sheet, like I have over here, and then or like a flat plate, and then you have dish soap, you have some Q-tips, you will need some Q-tips, you'll need milk, and then you'll need some food coloring, and I got red, blue, yellow, and green. So first, you pour the milk on the plate. Just fill it up. You don't need a lot. Just fill it up. Good. And then you'll drop some food coloring in there. Let's do 3 drops of green. Let's count with Jenny, okay? There's 1, 2, and 3. Wow, friends, look. That's a face, right? Okay, let's try some yellow. 1 and 2 drops of yellow. And then we'll use some red. So 1 and 2 drops of red. And then we can just do 1 drop of green, okay? Or 1 drop of blue. Right there. So now you'll get some Q-tips. 1 per person, okay? 1 is enough. And then you dip it in the dish soap. And now, you're going to dip it in 1 color. Let's see what's going to happen, friends. Look. 1, 2, 3. Wow, look at that. You see? The colors are moving away. Let's try another one. Look at that. Now all the colors are mixing up. Then after this experiment, you can use the milk and the food coloring, right? You can put in a cup where you can microwave it, and then after you microwave the milk, you can do another experiment with it. You can turn the milk into, so once you microwave the milk, and then you can make plastic with it. It'll become plastic. So you can use this milk, this leftover milk, to do another activity. So you don't waste it. Look at all these colors, Fred. So on the description below, I'll put the link for how you turn milk into plastic, so you can follow that with the leftover milk you have with your experiment today, okay? Thank you, friends. Bye.